Good day everyone! So we are here to introduce you to our newest product, which is the Fox Film. So it's from the USA, first time in the Philippines. Meron tayong series of testers here para ma-check natin kung gaano kaganda yung ceramic tint. So ito yung tester natin na nagpro-provide ng heat, at ito naman yung power meter natin na tinetest yung infrared, kung gaano kataas yung infrared na pumapasok. Now, ito, marami tong series of different kind ng mga nano ceramic tint in the Philippines. They are the most trending currently. So, itong una natin, this is without the tint. So, pag inopen natin siya, so, ang blockage ng meter is 1,000, okay, it's still increasing. 1,097 yung heat na pumapasok. Now, we have to try the brand A. Ito yung brand A. From 1,097 down to 105. Yung pumapasok na heat, 105 na lang siya, or 107. So, this is the brand A. So, i-try naman natin yung brand B. So, isa rin to sa magagandang brand ng ceramic tint. So, yan siya. Meron lang siyang...
Actually, nasunog siya.
Nasunog siya for heat rejection ng 26.9. So, itry naman natin yung Fox Film from the USA. So, usually, 100% yung UV niya dito sa Pilipinas. Pero the Fox Film has 400% na UV. So, pinakamababa siya na 2.4. So, bakit importante na yung pasok ng heat sa sasakyan is maganda, ay hindi masyadong pumapasok? For example, you have